Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Cleantech brand, their medical grade air purifier, H11 True HEPA filter, two-stage air purification, removes 99.98% of dust, smoke, pollen, filters allergens, odor elimination, low 45 dB quiet mode technology. So during this review, I have the filter going, just to give you an idea how quiet it is. It's in the 24/7 quiet mode and it has the UVC light inside. This is model CT-C-400. Comes with a nice instruction booklet telling you how to use it. It's very simple to do. This is a revolutionary two-stage HEPA filter plus a UVC germicidal light. It's a combination of both technologies, which is pretty unique. And we're going to show you that light, and we're going to show you the inside chamber and how this mechanism works. So inside a specially designed air vortex chamber, a brushless 3-speed whisper quiet fan, and brushless is the most advanced fans out there, reflective mirror grade coating, medical grade ultraviolet bulbs, replaceable HEPA filter. Trusted by hospitals, UVC will destroy the molecular level on the air coming in. I have a UVC light that I use for sanitizing masks, and this is just as powerful. I'm going to show you a slide. This gets really good reviews on Amazon, so people are really appreciating the quality of this air filter. Now this will cover up to 600 square feet maximum, and to give you an idea, that's like a 30 feet by 20 feet size room. That's a pretty big room. So Cleantech is designed to sanitize air around you while you're in an environment, in a room, bedroom, wherever you're going to use this. Unlike UVC solutions found in hospitals or other UVC devices that could damage your eyes and skin, everything happens inside this device. So there's minimal light leak. It's compact and powerful. It's most effective and powerful for its size. Revolutionized design for maximum air exposure to UVC light. The longer the air is exposed to UVC light, the more cleaning power. That's why the engineers created a vertical chamber to slow down the air and increase the dosage of the UVC light. So the result is that it has an industry-leading 75% product height to UVC light ratio in that chamber. So inside this chamber, we're going to show that is that UVC light and that longer chamber. Now the company provides a full 1-year warranty on this product, which is really great. Some people ask, does this produce any ozone? Well, the test that I did showed that it has no ozone, and the company also publishes that this bulb is mercury arc germicide 254 nanometer UVC lamp designed to produce the highest amount of UV radiation at the optimal wavelength. So it is to kill all microorganisms. So 90% of the energy is generated is 254 nanometer. The quartz glass tube is designed to block transmission of 185 nanometer ozone producing wavelength. So the device cannot produce any ozone. So if you're concerned about ozone, you don't have to worry about it on this. There are replacement filters for this, the HEPA 11 filter, and I'll have a link to that in the description. And how often should you change it? Between 6 and 12 months, depending on your environment. If you have more dust and dogs and pets, you want to change it probably every 6 months, and I'll have a link again for that so you know where to get more of these on Amazon. To turn the unit on, there is a circular impression on there of an on-off switch. There's LED indicators there. This is a mechanical switch. It's not a touch sensitive switch, so you have to push it down and it puts it in the first mode, which is the 2-hour maximum mode. And you hit it again, it goes to the 24-hour minimum mode. Push it again and it goes to off. On the bottom of the unit, where the filter is, there is 4 legs that you turn counterclockwise. And it has a screw inside there that allows you to get to the filter. So these actually totally unscrew, and you remove them, and that releases the base so that you could get to the air filter. And here's the filter itself. It's very simple to replace with a new filter. You just put the new filter on the bottom right there, and you take the cover and put it over the filter, and then it lines up with those holes, and then you add the 4 screws through here, and you tighten them clockwise, and you just turn them clockwise to tighten them up so that you have a nice seal on that filter. Simple as that. So we're going to show you the inside of the unit where it goes past the filter, and here you could see the UVC, the dual quartz lamps inside there. And if you look closely on the side, you can see a reflective surface inside there, and that is what's reflecting the light. Now the air is going past that after it goes through the filter, and that's what's killing whatever mold or bacteria is on the air before it gets exited to the top of the unit. Very nice. I don't recommend you do this, but I wanted to demonstrate. I've got some light protection on, and this is the UVC light that is on, that is going to be purifying the air that goes past the filter. So what's my overall opinion about the Cleantech brand, their model CT-C-400, the UVC air purifier with H11 true HEPA filter, 2-stage air purification. As I demonstrated, this thing is really easy to use, probably the simplest one I've ever tested, and it seems to be very well built, and the UVC chamber is totally unique to this product. Never seen that before. So I think this is a great product for you and for your environment, to keep it all clean and healthy. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll alert to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with all your buying decisions. Thank you for watching.